Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for Business Studies Grade 8. We'll cover essential strategies to help you excel. First, focus on understanding core concepts rather than just memorizing. Next, learn how to take effective notes during lessons. Then, we'll discuss the importance of regular practice with past examination questions. Finally, I'll guide you on creating a balanced study schedule to ensure consistent learning and retention. To study smarter, begin by breaking down complex topics into smaller, more digestible sections. This makes learning less overwhelming. Utilize flashcards for key terms and definitions. They are excellent for quick revision. Try explaining concepts in your own words, perhaps to a friend or even yourself, to solidify your understanding. Collaborating in a study group can also provide new perspectives and clarify difficult areas. When preparing for exams, a comprehensive review of your entire syllabus is crucial. Practice answering questions under timed conditions to improve your speed and efficiency. This helps you manage your time effectively during the actual exam. Look at past examiner reports to understand common errors and how to avoid them. Also, prioritize your study efforts by focusing more on topics that carry a higher percentage of marks. Maintaining your well-being is just as important as studying hard. Remember to take short, regular breaks to avoid mental fatigue and burnout. Aim for at least 8 hours of quality sleep each night to ensure your brain is well rested and ready to learn. A balanced diet will provide the sustained energy you need. Finally, celebrate your small victories and reward yourself for reaching study goals to keep motivation high.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.